do a show for you tonight. Lumiere. How's Lumiere for everybody? Great. This is my first time with this kind of microphone. It's dry under there, right? And warm? Okay. Here you go. I'll give you that one. Woo. Fantastic. So because it rains so much in Vancouver, and we were part of the very first time they called it Atmosphere River, we did a fire show that night in English Bay. Anybody see that one? No, because 7 people were there, and they were fully dudded out like fishermen. But anyways, thank you so much for being here. We have a wonderful audience. I can see you all. Are you all out there? Let's hear you. Great. So we want to keep that energy up, okay? Like if you see somebody doing something like, whoa, then say, whoa. So let's try it. This is wild. Hang on. Okay. Oh! Ah, that wasn't a good demo. Am I good? Okay, all right. I'm not used to the time. Okay, anyways, enough about me. Do you guys want to see a fire show or what? Yeah. Okay, Amber Hearts is our name. Amber Hearts, are you ready? Yeah. Great. Safeties, are you ready? What is it about? There's something evolving. Whatever may come, the world keeps revolving. They say the next great thing is that the revolution's near. But to me it seems quite clear that it's all just a little bit of history repeating.
Yeah, we are Ever Earth. We're Fire Society from Vancouver. I'm gonna see there's more in this one. Oh, so good. So, thank you so much for being here. It's a beautiful audience. How'd you like the fire show? We gotta thank Lumiere for bringing us back. We need to thank the BIAs from West End, Downtown, and Gastown. The Government of Canada is a big old sponsor here, so thank you, Canada, for enjoying our art and giving us a place to play. Folks, we can't thank you